Matthew, look what I just sent you on the snap. That is the Demon Wind Shuriken.
What the? I have not seen that.
How?
Because I'm not far enough for some.
Oh, it already happened.
What? When?
I swear, I think it did. If it didn't, how do you know about the Zabuza guy?
What is that?
The Zabuza is the guy with the sword.
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. So he appeared, and then he was like, I'm gonna take off my bandana, you know? And then he revealed that he had his eye thing.
Yeah.
And then he fought him.
Did he die or something?
He held the knife to his neck.
Oh, yeah. You're not there yet.
Yeah. Oh my. Oh, whoa.
What?
I fell, but then, like, I fell to the thing. Like, never mind. It's hard to explain. I didn't take any damage.
Nice, too. Such crackers are so tasty, bro.
I know, so buttery, so good.
So thick, bro.
Excuse me?
Like Shirley.
Uh, that's enough.
Yeah.
Wait, am I recording this? Yeah, I am.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bro. Do you have minis or did you like take bigs or something?
No, I left a mini in the disco room.
I'm gonna need that mini ASAP. But you're gonna steal all the chests and I'm gonna have no loot.
No? What? A chest.
Where's the mini?
It's somewhere in there, I don't know.
Oh my god.
It's like to the right.
Which right? You can't
Like,
just say to the right.
to one of the rooms.
Hmm. Found it.
Oh my gosh, another big. Do I carry two bigs or a slurp?
I can carry one. Whichever one you don't want to carry.
Okay, then take the bigs. Take the slurp. I have two med kits as well. The big is in that building. Oh. And then there's one on one of the trucks, I'm pretty sure. Oi, another slurp? Let's go.
I need to go find those bigs now.
Yeah, I'll take him to you. It's over here, mighty. Yeah, it's up there. And then this one right here.
Oh, there's one right here too.
What? Yo, I'm so stacked on meds. I have 2 slurps and 2 medkits.
I have 3 bigs and 5 bandages.
Yo! Whatever.
What?
I fell.
There's another big here. What
Oh
the
my.
frick? I'm gonna carry it because you have medkits. I'm gonna have 4 bigs.
4 biggins. Oh, which house should we go to?
I'm gonna go on the hill. Shit.
Yo! What? All my weapons are blue.
I have purple, gray, purple.
I have a I have a blue pump, purple SMG, and a blue burst.
You mean a blue SMG?
Yeah, wait, what did I say? Purple?
Purple.
Ah.
You did it.
Yo! I need a cube. Oh my gosh. Yo, let's sneak up on him. No, let's just not go.
Ahoy! Gold P90.
What?
Oh, there's minis in here. I'm gonna stack 'em. And another big. Oh wait, should I take? I'm gonna take 5 bigs, not minis. And a med kit.
5 bigs.
I have 5 bigs.
Oh, yo, the storm. Oh, never mind.
I was about to say.
Whoops.
Did you get that med kit back there?
Yeah, I did.
Nice. What if there was another big in here or something?
6 bigs.
Yo, another bit. No. Hey, watch it. My apple.
Alright, where shall we go? Which house?
Hmm.
Should go to, like, that one.
Bro, we've done that one like 3 times.
Yeah, but none, like, for a video.
Hmm. Hmm.
Yo!
What?
Another slurp!
Dang, I thought it was gonna be a big.
I already have 2, so. I never gots to go.
I want to eat my Ritz crackers.
You can eat them while we run. Can you go up with this?
Mm-hmm.
Yo. Am I gonna take damage?
I swear you don't.
Get me out of here.
If you do, we got medkits.
Yeah.
Did you take damage?
I landed on the ground just to be safe. But you should, because if you die, then I can get a res, and that's for a challenge.
I'm about to fall.
Okay. What?
Let's go.
Alright, let's go.
Wait, we gotta loot this house and see if there's any bigs, you know?
You're right. Any bigs down here? Nope.
Yo, another slurp.
Oh my.
You carrying him?
I have 2 already.
Oh.
Oh my gosh, another med kit. Oh wait, are we making this out of...
Another medkit. Let's do this house, it's smaller.
What? It's smaller. Alright.
And let's make it out of brick.
Yo, if this is in the center, we'll have so much, like, meds.
No, make it out of wood.
Yeah, I don't have enough brick.
Yeah, me either. I have 30.
I can't remember what kind of... I don't know. Do you know if this wall has 1 window or 2?
I don't know. How do you remember? I mean, how can you not remember?
I don't
for
know,
like 2
I
seconds?
wasn't paying attention. Oh no. Hey,
Yo. Or they know. They don't know. They don't know. So why did you just open that?
my bad.
Yo, they know. They know. Oh my god, that guy's lit. Bro, go. Just go. Go.
Nice, nice.
Nice suit. Nice suit. Medkits and minis.
Oh, I just realized we're on the edge of the storm. I mean,
That's
of the
good.
thing.
We gotta destroy all this building now.
Yeah. Yo,
What?
there's so much meds. What? I
Oh, streamer loot too?
I don't know why, but for some reason when they came, I got so scared.
Why?
I don't know.
Yo, there's the guys.
Where?
Out here, I downed one.
You stole my kill.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Give me this. Give me that mini. And that's awkward. I might need a big.
Shoot,
Wait,
that's not a
I
big.
could just take a slurp, but. Yo!
That's mine. I'll just carry these minis over here.
Yeah. Oh my.
Yeah, freaking big.
Frick a big.
Oh, we gotta finish. We gotta finish.
Mm. Are you carrying a silenced?
Yeah.
But I will too, cause we gotta be sneaky. Is that you?
This guy just tried to grapple into me, and I killed him in the air.
Wow, I have 0 kills. Yo!
I kind of want a sniper. Where?
Move! Oh, hit him for 32. Oh, we gotta
Hit him
move!
for 46.
I'm trash.
I don't think he's there anymore. He ran, bro.
I hear him.
He's right over here.
Finally.
Give me that chug. Wait, that was yours? What? I'm gonna drink this chug.
Yo, they might be.
Oh, that's not a chug.
Oh shoot,
Oh,
they're
shoot, they
coming.
came. Move, Matthew.
I'm stuck.
Oi, ow. I'm taking 2 bigs. One has a double barrel.
Oh, it's a 2v2.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, I hit one for 60.
Oh, don't knock me down. Where'd he go? He fell? Oh, one guy super. Oh. How did you get that? How did you get Great Fall?
I don't know. Oh, because I hit him.
No, I hit this guy 50. I hit him like 3 times with the scope they are. The frick?
Let's go. 2 and how many kills did you have?
5.
5.